Well, big developments taking place in the court as we speak. Arvind Kejriwal is now addressing the judge right now as we speak, looking at the hearing, and he's raising the question as to on what grounds he has been arrested as a sitting Chief Minister of Delhi. Priyank, live updates, please.
Yes, certainly that's a big information which is coming out from the court that the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is himself speaking before the judge. The ASG wanted to intervene, but Arvind Kejriwal played an emotional card and he said that Raju ji, मैं आपका आशीर्वाद लेना चाहता हूं, मुझे सिर्फ 5 मिनट की मोहलत दीजिए. The judge also said that we want this to be written and given to us in writing. We cannot allow you to speak more than 5 minutes. Kejriwal is certainly taking advantage of that situation and he is certainly questioning the process of Enforcement Directorate. While talking about that, Arvind Kejriwal has also stated that so far 31,000 pages document has been submitted before the court, out of which only few statements where his name has been mentioned is being taken by the Enforcement Directorate to arrest me, but other statements have been suppressed. But very interestingly, Arvind Kejriwal is also trying to shift the blame towards the other people who have been arrested, because he is saying कि मेरे घर बहुत मंत्री आते हैं, उनके पर्सनल असिस्टेंट भी आते हैं, आपस में खुसर-फुसर भी करते हैं. That means they keep on murmuring with each other. They exchange document. Many people come to my house. Is it so much important to arrest me? So Kejriwal is certainly not talking about Manish Sisodiya. He's not talking about Satyen Jain. Arvind Kejriwal has become a self-centric person. He's not talking about those individuals who have been arrested in the past. He's not talking about those ministers who are said to be the right and left hand of Arvind Kejriwal. He's not talking about them whose bail application has already been dismissed by the apex court here in the country. But he is only talking about him. And while talking about the political conspiracy, the conspiracy by the Enforcement Directorate, according to him, which has led to his arrest, he's also talking about the murmurs, the meeting which has happened inside the residence of Arvind Kejriwal, and he is also claiming that please keep me away from these meetings and those personal chat which is happening in between the PS, those people who are meeting inside my house, and I should be given clear advantage because I'm CM. I'm not the person who has to be blamed for all those meetings and the murmurs and the exchange of file which has happened inside my premises. So very interesting news point which we can pick for our viewers, apart from questioning the Enforcement Directorate arrest, apart from questioning that all those statements which have been made not against him is not being given leverage. Those statements which has been given by the accused who has turned approver against me is being used by and misused by the Enforcement Directorate to arrest me. Arvind Kejriwal is also trying to keep those meetings which has happened inside the premises of the Sheesh.
Well, more and more explosive statements that are being made by Arvind Kejriwal. Priyank, if you can also keep on updating then, because he goes on say कि असली शराब घोटाला आखिरकार है क्या, आम आदमी पार्टी को क्रश करना, आम आदमी पार्टी को तोड़ना. Please continue updating us, Priyank.
Kejriwal is continuing and saying that these are the 25,000 pages document which has not been taken on value by the Enforcement Directorate. He also comes on Raghav Mangunta Reddy, the person whose name was certainly about to be taken by Arvind Kejriwal because he turned approver, and then he is talking about that how his family members were totally associated with the Bharatiya Janata Party, and he is saying that 5 महीने जेल में रुकने के बाद उनका statement बदल गया, which means that after staying in jail for more than 5 months his statement changed, and then he was given clear advantage, and later on he took my name, which has led to my arrest. Kejriwal is also saying that क्या ये statement सिर्फ एक sitting chief minister को arrest करने के लिए काफी है? Is this statement enough to arrest a sitting chief minister of the state of a person whose conduct is still questionable? This is what Abhishek Manu Singh had also argued in the previous hearing, that the statement of an approver should be not taken on that much serious value because that is the statement which could have been made under the pressure. Kejriwal also refers to the statement on the order of
I think he's still speaking as we also speak and discuss about what Arvind Kejriwal's explosive statement is all about, as he is now addressing the judge in the court. Of course, the court asking him also to give all of that in writing, and he's not being given more than 5 minutes to address the judge. We continue discussing on that after a short break. You're watching Times Now.